Okay, today I'm going to show y'all through Outlook calendar and how to create an event. So say I want to create an event for Wednesday the 21st. I double click right there, and then you got to add a title. I'll say it's a birthday party. And then this is where you invite anybody. I'm going to just invite myself. And then this is all the times that people will be available. I'm going to do the birthday party from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And right here is where you can make it all day, and if you would like to repeat it, you can do it daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or however you like. And this is where you put a location for it, so I'm going to just put it at ULL. And then this is like where you want it to remind you, like you can do it at the time of the event, 5 minutes before, all the way up to a week. This is where you add a description. I'm going to say bring a gift. And this is where you put an attachment, a picture, any gifts, anything like that. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to attach a picture. So I'm going to put this birthday gift idea collage. Okay. And you would send it right here. And then if you'd like to move the date anywhere, you just click it and drag it. You like edit, and then you do that and you press save. Okay, and then these are some of the advanced features along with the how to move the date. You would click here for new mail, and you would compose a new email and say I'll just send it to myself. Birthday party. Oh, wait. Birthday party. And this is where you can send it later. Let's say you want to send later, you can send it tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, or whatever time you like to send it. And then we'll just send it. And then if you'd like to clear your schedule for the day, you'll click here. You'll click here. And then you can snooze it for later today, tomorrow, this weekend, or next week.